What's that, honey? Oh, you just did your laundry and your clothes still smell weird? No, you didn't break the washing machine, sweetheart. You broke Laundry 101. Let me teach you how to stop slow cooking your sweat in that spin cycle.
And you think you're doing a good thing because you're only spending $5 in the laundromat with one load. But what you're really doing is not saving any money at all because your clothes have that funk, and this funk stays with it. And one place we do not need funk is in our laundry. When you cram 87 things into your washing machine, you end up setting up a slow cooker of sweat, like your clothes are a fabric casserole. That funk does not come out. Ew. Okay, so first of all, when you have this fully loaded basket and you try to shove it all in the washing machine, there's no room for those 87 items to spin around and get properly rinsed out. And that's why that funk stays in your clothes. So what we need to do is separate our clothes. And that's not mom being picky. That's just making sure that the clothes have room to get fully rinsed out, because fully rinsed, no smell. No smell, no funk. No funk, happy kid. All right. All right, so let's talk about separating our laundry properly. You need everything to have its own space. That way, they all have room to get rinsed and get clean. So you want to put clothes with clothes. You want to put your towels with your towels. You want to put gym clothes with gym clothes, jeans with jeans, and dog blankets. Let's put them with dog blankets. Not a good idea to wash them, even with your gym clothes, to wash those together. Ugh, gross.
Let's talk detergent. Too much? Slimy clothes. Too little? Still dirty. All right, cold water. Fine for delicates and colors, but odors do survive here. Colors or warm is the sweet spot for most everyday clothes, and hot kills the bacteria but can shrink or dull the fabrics. Most importantly, don't forget, get them out of the washer and put them in the dryer. You're going to need your clothes to be perfectly dried, whether that's in the dryer or outside in the sunshine. Leaving them in the washer is a good way to get the stink. If you've already got smelly clothes, rewash, but don't overload. This time, give them space. Sprinkle half a cup of the baking soda directly into the drum with the detergent. It lifts the odors out of the fabric. Use hot water if it's safe. Towels, socks, sheets, yes. Delicates, nope. Then add the vinegar. Half a cup of white vinegar in the rinse cycle neutralizes the odors. Don't worry, it doesn't make you smell like a pickle. Now here, I just used where I normally put the fabric softener, and it works just fine. Most importantly, don't forget to dry completely. Damp clothes equals mildew central.
Okay, so there you have it. Here's how I want you to think of it. Soap. Separate your loads. Don't overload. Overload is a no-no. Add the right amount of detergent at the right temperature and perfectly dry them. Got it? Soap. Easy to remember. So when you do it right, you always have fresh smelling laundry. When you do it wrong, your coworkers know exactly when laundry day was. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for me. Don't forget, I'm proud of you, mostly. And call me. Call your mom. Bye. How we doing? How are we looking? We good? Are we good? We're looking fat. We're looking fine. We're looking fat and fine.